Target Trading Academy.
Good afternoon, everybody. Preston Vogl here today with today's Micros Market Recap. We're at Target Trading Academy. It is Monday, December 19th, 4:07 p.m. or turning 4:07, I should say. There it is. Let's jump right into it with micro oil. So oil opened in its imbalance. My drawing tool, and by imbalance we mean inside the range. Where is my drawing tool? There it goes. Anyway, so we opened inside the range from Friday, had a straight move up. They couldn't really penetrate any higher, came back down and had what we call a turn in the market or a round trip, and they kept coming down further into the range from Friday, stopping around this HVA edge, and then those buyers really stepping in, not wanting to drive it down any lower for the day. So that's pretty much where we sat after making new highs. They just couldn't get out in either direction and went sideways for the remainder of the day, closing higher than Friday's close. As far as gold goes, gold opened relatively close to its close from Friday. Pretty much got it right away when it opened up, hit that HVA edge, came down, bounced off this area here, came back up, another monster move down from that same edge, making some new lows, not getting outside of the range from Friday before it came back up and settled back inside this HVA for the remainder of the day. So we are closing technically lower, not terribly far from Friday's close, but yet lower. So we are net positive in oil, negative in gold. Now our equities, they are both down, the ones that we have here, micro ES and micro NASDAQ. So little back story, we did have that settlement on Friday. The old contract has expired. We are 100% on the new contract. So with that being said, we have new contract highs and low values. We're below that halfway mark in our contract. So sellers are, for all intents and purposes, in charge of the overall contract. We opened inside the range from Friday towards that lower end. Had immediate buying. They hit that HVA edge. Again, these edges, these HVA edges, are drawn the night before the next day's trading session. So keep that in mind. These aren't drawn through the intraday. These are drawn a whole day before they're being used. So we hit it once, twice, monster sellers on both of them. And that pretty much is as high as they get for the day. They've come close, but not quite getting it that third time. And then they just melted off. It was choppy. It was slow. You had to have a lot of patience waiting for those entries. But with that said, there were several opportunities, more so in the micro Dow. We don't have that up right now, but several opportunities there, the better ones being in the micro Dow. But we are, without saying much more, we are closing net down, and we made new contract lows. Similar story in the micro NASDAQ. Opening inside Friday's range and just melting down here. That's where we open, and then you scroll forward. And just kept going and going and going and melting down. So as you can see, lots of movement down, very choppy. Sellers were clearly in charge for the day's trend as well, not just the overall contract trend, but in the day's trend. And we have new contract lows to put in for our values there as well. So if you're interested in learning more information about these levels and how you can get them onto your charts the night before your next day's trading activity, or you're interested in learning how to trade the methodology that we teach live in the rooms Monday through Friday, or when the markets are open, I should say, feel free to reach out to us. We are Target Trading Academy. You can go to our Facebook page or go to our website at targettrading.co. Again, that is targettrading.co. Get in touch with the consultant at either location. They'll gladly show you what we do in our rooms each and every day. And you'll see for yourself why we are the #1 trading education company in the world. Look forward to seeing you there.